On me. What's good, YouTube? Back another video. Currently babysitting right now, but you know what I'm saying? Finna go to the gun range. Finna show y'all how I shoot some shit. My aim is not the best. Actually, my aim is on point, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga trying to play me, nigga on God. Bust his ass, but it's the confit I got on. BK on the pants. You always knocking my brand on. Black tee. Dewey. Tatties. Yeah, I gotta go finish my tats. I gotta finish right here. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna put right here though. Like, it's like odd. Then I gotta finish my leg. Then I gotta finish my top of my back. I got like angel wings. And then, what else? My leg, I already said that. My chest, I don't know if I'm gonna do my chest. I think I'm gonna do my collarbone, but that's just gonna fucking hurt. But I might do my collarbone, maybe. But definitely my leg, my back. I might do my rib if I don't do my chest. But we gonna figure that shit out though. But I'm just designing tattoos and stuff. But yeah, you ready to go to the gun range right now. Let me see, this nigga's always on live. What's he doing on live? Is he smoking? Bad influence, y'all. I'm gonna go show y'all it's a bad influence. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the gun range. What you doing, come out? I've been missing you. Y'all, we here right now. Waiting on my twin to pull up. He's taking forever. I've been here since like 3 o'clock. And what should we call it? He's still not here. He said 15 minutes. Let's see how long he said 15 minutes ago. So I'll be there 15 minutes at 3:24. It's 3:37, so he has 2 minutes left. He's not here by 3:39. Boom! I'm going inside by myself. But finna go in there and shoot some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let's show y'all my aim. My aim is fire. I ain't gonna lie. They're gonna see. I got that aim on me. I got that dog in me. I got that dog in me. But yeah, I go back to school in I think it's 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3 weeks and like 5 days. I go back to school. The heck, these niggas got a assault rifle on them out. Can I see that shit? AR, but I go back to school the 18th. Got a little 3-bedroom apartment. We're gonna be on an apartment tour when I go back. And I don't know, I feel like June went by so fast, but I feel like July is going by like, what is it? It's 23rd. Actually, July going by fast, if I'm being honest, because I could have sworn it was just 4th of July and it's already July 23rd. But before you know it, it's gonna be Christmas. That shit's crazy. But I'm not tripping though. School's kind of fun. Like, I get my classwork done. My grade is good, so I don't really be tripping about school. It's cool. Probably gonna be traveling a lot. Even the first week of school, when I go back, the next weekend, I'm not even gonna, that first weekend back where everybody's back, I'm not even gonna be there. I got a trip to take. But shit, we gonna see what the vibe is. It's 3:19. It's 3:19. He's still not here. It's 3:19. That boy's still not here. But you know, Africans, man, black people, they never know how to come on time. But catch on this nigga get here or some shit. Niggas outside.
Niggas is tired, man.
All these niggas got terrible aim. But we gonna see when we get inside. You been here before? You been here the first time? It's my second time. What you have? Gonna go in there, go to war. Hey, you gotta prepare for the cartel that's coming for me.
That's gonna be the topic.
Yes. Nah, cause they actually come get me for false advertising.
Preparing for war.
Man,
Yo, doggy as hell.
I'm finna see if niggas can even shoot for real. Like, my life on the line. Because got me or not.
Oh, it's up down.
Nigga can't put his headphones on.
Way big ass.
Get the other one. They got a bigger one right there. The black one. I'm saying. We get to shooting. I'm gonna show y'all boys how we shoot shit. You know what I'm saying? See my op right there. Done. You know what I'm saying? Let's bring him in, see I got a couple headshots. You know what I'm saying? So any nigga that's trying my girl, exactly what I'm gonna do to you. I'm gonna hit you in your fucking dome, nigga. Boom, boom. Hit your butt. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got cooking up over here though. He's just loading the ARP. Get the camera real quick so I can see this shit. Take your op down. See these niggas talking about.
You're wanting it wrong. That's right.
Yeah.
To go. Somebody else can go. There's still something.
Sure do. I'm not shooting.
Huh?
I'm not shooting.
You're not shooting that?
Yeah.
That's not that bad kickback. I ain't gonna lie.
Really? It didn't look that bad.
It's on. Ready. It's on thing. Wait. Put it down.
Here, okay.
Randy. Hold it at the front. Put it down.
Okay,
Put your hand
take
like
this.
this. You got it. I got a headshot. Yo, our ops are definitely gonna die because we threw the paper away, but it was straight headshots.
Yeah, I know.
Tell me, it was straight headshots.
I
It was straight headshots. You know what I'm saying? My boy's packing his stuff up. Packing his stuff up, the big boy.